No kid, pull up, remember me.
Starting a brand new market. Well, language barrier never makes a difference because there's something called Google Translate, okay? I never ever go into a market if I don't have someone there. I don't go to grow, I go where it's growing. My job is to add gas and fuel on the fire to help it explode. So I'm out here in Brazil right now. Most people think the brand comes first, then the work. No, the work comes first, the inspiration is next, and then people will follow you, and that's where the brand is created. So you can walk anywhere in the world and ask one question, one phrase, and you will win 100 out of 100 times. Do you keep your income options open? In other words, are you open to the idea of making more money over and above what you're currently making? No one said no to that question.
Then retire with the Bucks, JT. Bought a coupe and told a rapper race me. Remember when they used to curve me? Now they